South Pittsburg, Tennessee, a very small town and a somewhat forgotten seeming place. But the small municipal building, which was formerly a bank, is resplendent with exquisite ornament made out of terracotta. I find it heartbreakingly beautiful. Who are the artists, architects, and designers who created this gorgeous art? What were their names? What do we know about them? I hope these YouTube videos help preserve this stuff forever, because they sure don't make it like this anymore. The Lodge factory is also in town, where they make cast iron pots, pans, etc.